Looking for the best welding machine in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best welding machine available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The Hitbox 145, a semi-automatic MIG welding machine. HBM 145 is a versatile and budget-friendly welder designed for beginners, hobbyists, and light workshop use. Its 4-in-1 functionality supports MMA, gasless MIG, lift TIG, and spool gun welding, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. The synergic control system helps users quickly set proper parameters, while the inverter technology delivers stable arc performance and efficient power use. Dual voltage 110V/220V compatibility adds flexibility for home or job site use. Compact and portable, it is easy to carry and store. Overall, the HBM 145 offers excellent value, convenience, and multi-process capability for everyday welding tasks. Number 4. The Hitbox HBT250P AC/DC Aluminum TIG welding machine is an impressive value-packed welder for hobbyists, fabricators, and serious DIY users. It offers AC/DC TIG, MMA stick welding, pulse control, HF start, and 2T/4T trigger modes, giving excellent versatility for aluminum, stainless steel, and mild steel work. Its digital control panel is easy to use, allowing precise current and pulse adjustments for cleaner welds and better heat control. IGBT inverter technology provides stable arc performance and efficient power use. Users often praise its smooth TIG arc and affordable price. Overall, the HBT250P delivers professional-style features at a budget-friendly cost. Number 3. The Hitbox AC/DC Aluminum TIG welding machine. HBT250P is an excellent budget-friendly welder packed with advanced features for serious hobbyists and light professional work. It supports AC/DC TIG for aluminum, stainless steel, and mild steel, plus MMA stick welding for added versatility. Pulse control, high-frequency start, and 2T/4T trigger modes provide smooth arc starts, cleaner welds, and better control on thin materials. Users often praise its stable arc and strong value for money, though some note the included accessories are average quality. Its IGBT inverter design keeps it compact and efficient. Overall, the HBT250P offers impressive performance at an affordable price. Number 2. The Hitbox 6-in-1 270A aluminum welding machine is a highly versatile multi-process welder designed for users who need one machine for many tasks. It supports MMA, gas MIG, gasless MIG, HF TIG, plasma cutting, and additional welding functions, making it ideal for workshops, fabrication, and DIY projects. The digital screen is clear and easy to navigate, while 2T/4T trigger modes improve comfort during longer jobs. IGBT inverter technology delivers stable arc performance and efficient power use. Users appreciate its strong feature set for the price, though accessories may be basic. Overall, it offers excellent value and flexibility. Number 1. The Zwojen HVM 276-in-1 aluminum welding machine is a feature-packed multi-process welder ideal for hobbyists, fabrication shops, and serious DIY users. It combines plasma cutting, gas MIG, gasless MIG, HF TIG, MMA stick welding, and spot functions in one compact unit. The digital screen is clear and user-friendly, while 2T/4T trigger control improves comfort during long welds. Users appreciate its synergic settings, stable arc performance, and ability to handle stainless steel, mild steel, and aluminum projects. IGBT inverter technology boosts efficiency and portability. Overall, the HVM 270 offers impressive versatility and strong value for its price.